In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Miro using a template. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get a clean flowchart onto your board in just a minute or two. First, open Miro in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you're not already. From your dashboard, head to the board where you want the flowchart to live. This can be any existing board you're already using for planning, brainstorming, or documentation. Give the board a moment to load so all the tools show up on the left side. Inside your board, look to the left toolbar and find the Templates option. On many layouts, it's labeled Templates and may also display a small grid icon. Click it to open the template library. This panel gives you a quick way to drop structured layouts right onto your canvas without building everything from scratch. At the top of the template panel, use the search bar and type Flowchart. Miro will filter down to the flowchart templates available. Choose the flowchart option that best fits your needs. There's a standard one that's great for most processes. When you found the one you want, click Use Template. Miro will place the flowchart on your board automatically, usually centered in your current view. You should now see a pre-built flow with shapes and connectors ready to customize. If it appears a little off-screen, use your mouse or trackpad to pan the canvas or adjust the zoom until it's comfortably in view. You can drag the entire template selection to reposition it if needed. From here, you can click any shape to edit the text and adapt the flow to your process. The connector arrows can be adjusted by dragging their endpoints to different shapes if your sequence needs to change. That's it. You've successfully added a flowchart to your Miro board using a template. A few quick tips as you start customizing. Keep your wording short and action-oriented inside each step for readability. Use consistent shapes for decisions versus actions so the logic is clear. And take advantage of Miro's alignment and distribution guides to keep everything neat. If you're collaborating, turn on comments so teammates can review steps without changing the structure. And when you're done, consider locking the template's layout to prevent accidental moves while you edit text. You now have a clean, ready-to-edit flowchart on your board created entirely from Miro's built-in template library. Happy building and enjoy streamlining your process with your new flowchart.